What's on you? Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
Keep left to Cross County Parkway to South Mill Parkway.
watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Hey guys, welcome to another KeneishaSays video.
Alright.
Take the rest.
So guys, we're on vacation mode. We are on our way to Florida. As Tristan says, that's my baby boy over there. Where you gone? So we're on our way to Florida, guys. We woke up and come out early in the morning when the place still black. And I'm working on zero sleep right now. Zero sleep. So it's a family trip. Everybody still want to sleep as usual. It's all packed up and we're ready to go. Well, we're not ready to go. We're on our way. We almost reached New York right now. Follow back away. Cargo, Florida. And have some Florida fun with the family.
Never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Keep right to I-95 South, New Jersey Turnpike South to US 46, Newark. Exit right to exit 68, US 46, the Ridgefields.
See? Falling off a lemon, see?
Experience one accident just so the car the sway I go back and forth. One police there behind it and then right the sign just click up in the rail. Just so. One woman up on her phone. You see how phone distracts him when you drive? That's crazy.
Continue to I-95 South.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
I know it's our one life, this our one. If you want the money.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
But now we're in New Jersey, we're stopping at Dunkin' Donut for the rest stop. Go ahead. Sorry, go ahead, Tony. Let's find our restroom first. Alright, Terry, let's go.
I don't want.
Yeah, you gotta pee first. Come. You have a long way to go. Come.
I don't want.
So we're here about to order. So you want donut plus
Subscribe.
you want donut plus hash browns?
Yes.
You want to eat some other Tristan? Come on, what you want, baby?
Pink bamboo, please.
Pink sprinkle?
And what about sprinkles? And what about sprinkles?
TJ, what you want?
Anything with silver, then the formula is something like
What's the other that? Jamaica money.
Where's the Jamaica?
$2,000. And that chicken, look at this here.
Where does it come from?
Go. Well, no. Yeah, I will. Hi, good morning. Let me have. Do you have any old-fashioned sticks? No, you have the donuts. Okay. Let me have 2 old-fashioned donuts. 2 serving of hash browns. 3 strawberry sprinkles. 2 old-fashioned. 5 in total. Yeah. Let's try one donut. You want donut again? You want a donut though? Do 3 old fashioned and then 3 strawberry sprinkles. 1 blueberry muffin. What kind of sandwich you want, TJ? What kind of sandwich? Bacon and croissant. Bacon, egg, and cheese on croissant bun, and then 2 servings of hash browns. 2 servings. 2 orders, yeah. Let me have a medium strawberry dragon fruit refresher, please. Babe, that's it. Just a blueberry and that's it. Just a blueberry. That's it.
Yeah. That's something right here. The cheese, what do you call it? The cheese stick. Is it a cheese stick? No. You don't got none? On the cellar? Oh, different state. Alright. That's good. When it comes
Connecticut.
Yeah.
Huh?
That's it.
That's it. Thank you. No, you have water now. No, I think I'm this kind of. This is not mine. Here. Thank you. So you have 1 of the egg and cheese sandwich, and then you have 2 hash browns, right? Bacon, yeah. Oh, Tristan, grab a donut then, what this one? Yeah. I think that's a blueberry muffin. So we're waiting for the hash browns and the sandwich for TJ. You want to carry that?
Is that a normal grilled cheese donut?
Huh?
Is that a normal grilled cheese donut?
No, it's like it has I guess, but different types of cheese. Understand? So like you see how I do with just 1 cheese, I think they do like American cheese and Swiss cheese or something like that together. And then if they do it in the butter, that can be. Thank you very much. Huh?
Give me this because the key money for Give me the phone.
The cook? Money so much. Try, no. But make sure you should drop in, or then you're not enough to eat. So think about that. Hold on for now. Teacher, monitor. Come this way. Just you want a Caperson, right? Get Caperson for them. Careful, Tubby. Come slow, Paul. You lose.
No.
You lose.
No, I'm always saying two of them. What do you man?
Hi guys, we stop again. This time we are in Virginia. Stop at a rest stop. It's on the ETA. If we don't stop at any hotel or we continue driving, we should be in Florida by 1:30 the latest tomorrow morning. Right now it is 12:30 p.m. So let's see. So we're going to take a little bit of rest in the car. Mr. Stewart saying look a bit tired, but you know ready to give up the driving yet. So let's see. Tristan, you gonna wait, please. Mama smoke feels so upset.
Same.
You smoke feel upset?
Yeah, like when I started driving, I felt like
Oh no, we gotta settle that. We'll drink some ginger ale, babes.
a heavy
Yeah?
effect. Heavy effect.
I can't drink. If I drink hot one, it'll feel worse. We need something. We need a cold one.
Like I felt a heavy effect in my stomach.
Yeah, I mean, I want your throat. Let me gonna drink some. Teacher, you don't feel up. You don't feel upset. Feel nauseous. Some cold ginger ale. Tired people may work on 0 hour sleep. 0. Came in from work yesterday around maybe look a bit after 6 and just up, edit and finish edit around 12 o'clock and just up I can't like finish up packing and make sure everybody good. By the time it was ready, it was time for we get ready. So I'm so tired. Is it got in?
Yeah.
And I feel like I'm gonna drive right now. Oh, thank you. So what now?
The remote there. Controller there.
Guys, I'm missing the remote from outside the car if it turn on the TV thingy-majig. Can't find my remote. I think so the other day we carry with service, but still look feet.
I don't know if you drop it in the seat, one of them things you drop in the feet, on a seat or something. It should have maybe like 10 minutes or something to move of it.
Yo, turn on the camera so you don't get fresh air. Can you just say you
So in a but I don't hot.
No, not really.
Oh yeah.
It a breeze out. No.
Something right.
You know what's very strong? Flip this one, please.
Something right.
It's still, this one's still connected. No.
Let me get this try. Let's try it. TJ, you can't just look right in the back behind. Let's try the right in there. Something other. Wire. Keneisha. You're sure you ever left this open by mistake because sometimes you know lock, you know, and then go in there and take out, you know. That can't happen, you know, because anyway people say why then take it.
But
that can't happen.
What I'm saying, that in a way you take it, somebody took it out.
It's expensive, you know, this.
But that was
Something
in,
that you won't notice that it's gone.
because that was inside.
No, me I say somebody when come in here and go in there,
Search.
yes, and take it out, they would have take this too. If they go take one iPhone wire and see this, then
No,
not
but
take
the
it
thing
out.
is, the iPhone was always here. It was always connected. This way, I never have no reason to move that. And then the remote is left open inside of the
Yeah, but the only thing,
fridge.
you dash it. The only thing me I think say, boy, you might dash it in the or either in a cover in a seat or something. Me look though, me check it out and tell me good. What I look at rest. You know what I look at rest, Keneisha? me see what time I'm
The one you want
36.
soda.
36 and 24 by sorry, Tristan. Keneisha, come in ID. What I do now, TJ? Come in ID.
You just a complain about AC in your eyes.
I'm not driving, I know, Keneisha, and the friggin' sitting. But oh, this again.
What happened? Your foot are a bit just
TJ, yesterday. Yesterday,
AC way in my chest system.
Let's see. This one have on the belt?
Toby, can I have my soda please and don't drink too much beer with one people.
Feel like one. You're not going to feel like one still.
You know what I mean? No, but when you drink too much, that's what's gonna happen. Don't mess up our hair. She I get a road now. Don't mess up our hair.
10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And move again.
You drank some? You say it's not to feel upset, right? You drink some. Hold it. Oh, yeah, do it down the bag or something. You gotta drink it to circulate some of it. Drink some. Gotta drink it to circulate.
No, man. I say this. Or what?
I still give it to you, baby. That's
This water? No. But the sun you feel on this. Feel the bottom. Right? No, the side, that's all.
No.
You understand? Taste, you know? Yeah. Watch, let's go. This is necessary.
Savannah, Tristan, if you don't want this, I can give it some hot water with some peppermint so you can circulate some.
Wow, it is strong.
Fine.
Where did the cup
strong.
there?
Hmm?
Where did the cup there? It had cup there.
The one box up.
No one bag where.
Me and TJ.
TJ, look for it.
Alright, let me go.
But on that, man, I think now I'm gonna do the peppermint first.
Peppermint?
Yeah.
Oh, are you good? Smell it, son.
Masala.
I'm gonna do the peppermint. Oh, fine.
You finally found the pepper.
How much cup you want?
Just one. Tristan, TJ, you know hot water?
No. Does it taste bad, Mom?
It's just plain water with a little bit of peppermint. It's just strong, but it'll circulate your stomach. TJ, you have finger you can actually open this right here. Look, you see the tooth here right instead of we can just pull it down and rip it. Tristan, please sit down.
No. That monkey looks so creepy just sitting there. Like, Mama, look in the camera, Mama. You see the monkey, Mama? It's
Yes,
just like
that's steam.
sitting there.
Eh?
It's steam. It's steam. So come on.
Oh.
Someone get one of them. Let me taste this.
Because you keep bumping into it.
That one is hotter than for me.
Right, hold it. Let me just drop.
One drop, Keneisha. Not drip.
Wait, drop, not drip.
Minute.
One drip.
Let me do it.
Babes, that tank I don't want too strong.
Oh.
Drink that noches.
That strong. Come. Take that. Hey, not drop it, you know. Take that.
Come on, give me soda. You're not supposed to drink some soda. You don't want peeping in no time. Give it to me.
Let me face it.
I can't even drink it.
And this is a serious case in this thing. Going on different.
No, that is hot.
That time cool it and that they're good for you.
Rush jacket.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
spilled it a little bit.
Just take time.
Over here.
Just relax. And take time. Let me taste it.
Hey, you know something think your remote now because this don't make no sense. Or don't take the remote and left the earphone in.
Hey, your phone, look up from this thing. What are you doing?
It don't really matter. No, the earphone, why didn't take the remote? If you're working on the vehicle. So,
Maybe
unless
that's the one they're missing out of the film
maybe
car
that
or
too.
somebody. Yes, baby.
That's it. This one can go.
You can finish that.
I need a straw.
You're drinking hot thing. You don't need straw with that. You crazy? Just blow and sip. And just relax. Your stomach can get sick though. You might drink some night too, you know. I don't know, me feel so nauseous. Drink it up, Papa. I don't want you to get your stomach get. No, you're not asleep. So maybe if you're asleep, you don't feel better, not so bad. But you're not asleep for some reason. I don't know why you're not asleep. I can finish with this. Just ask to get to one
I don't feel like more asleep again. Come out and walk up and down.
Keep buckle and hit. Remember that first. Anything else in your future? Oh, girl, look up. Go see if buckle them.
Oh, it's evening. I didn't even know.
You can't stop it, everybody. You never see people that just don't start up the job.
Oh, somebody. Why you turning the lights? Turn off the lights. You know. Oh, in the ass? Open babes. Yeah, just jump on me.
Yeah, one jump up in the back.
Sorry, and I know if we might need help on the road. Be safe.
Yo! What's up? Now start. Oh, I say I need a jump. You have a jump up pocket. Let me see if you restart it.
When I have one front one, when I have one knife back for myself,
We have to have it.
you jump up back where you have a knife back for me.
Okay, miss.
You never can. When I supposed to in care, babes.
We have to have it.
My jump up back when I have one way set up.
Take you out.
That is such a good person.
Yes.
Little cheeky.
So try out to help this dude. You can start. So man, I'm gonna get some of this something for drink to here.
I'm not sick.
I know you're not sick, but I just need your stomach to be settled. Just in case.
Yeah, so you don't feel really well.
It's like a tea. It tastes like tea. Take time, cool it.
You need to cut them. So how much more states do we have, Mama?
We have North and South Carolina and in Georgia. Three. But those Virginia, North Carolina, and South Carolina, they're like long drives. Like in total, I think it's like 5 hours in general for all 3 states. And then, sorry. Ooh. And then after Georgia, then Florida.
Then we need to go.
But also keep in mind that Florida is also a big state. So even though we enter Florida, it doesn't mean that we reach our destination. Because we're going to go all the way to Fort Lauderdale. Right? And then we have to pass Orlando, West Palm Beach, and all those places to go to Fort Lauderdale. Alright guys, so we're about to move out. Try help the gentleman and now we're ready to go. So again, we're in Virginia. Let's see if we're gonna have to stop and rest tonight or if we can actually trek it through the whole night. Depends on how the kids feel. So
Give a jump start. That powerful enough.
let's go.
Some more.
Stop my care.
No, not started. That we tried to use to start when we started when we had the ring on.
Oh. Remember, you need to start. Think I put this up and running with the key. The other one.
Oh, the old pilot. Come here, so when the car now starts, you frighten me now.
Things ain't about it. You need a battery still. Your battery not good.
And then I travel with battery one good. But that makes sense.
So you say you have to go stop and get one. You need to stop and get one.
Oh. Oh.
So I want to put it, you know.
Oh, that's it. There's a one way.
Wrong way.
It's one way right here, see? So you gotta drive this way. Look, one way, this street is one way, so you have to go around in a circle. The traffic people.
Oh, yeah, so I like them. So I have to go around now. I can't turn either.
Yeah, okay.
In 900 feet, use the left lane to
Additional
continue
parking
to
plus up.
I-95 South.
See? Oh, I see me. Because see, look.
I want to say something else in one circle. Way, go right back into the traffic where I come from. How are you feeling? Good?
I feel like I want to sleep.
Continue to I-95 South.
Get a contract. Yeah, I see no question. Just answer, right? I'm not asking no question. I should tell a thing.
Nobody asked.
Nobody asked you no question. Right? Dumfries, babes. But we have Dumfries again at Jamaica.
Hearing me. Like a man that used to go to school. A man that school near to Dumfries.
Oh, yeah,
Dumfries
yeah.
are dump there. Dump.
Oh,
The
hence
gap.
the name. Babes, Target, too, isn't it? Target Churros. Oh God, me just greasy so. Alright, so guys, we stop again. One more rest stop. Oh, the you are.
Yeah.
So we're here, rest stop again. It's in Virginia? Wait a minute, North Carolina? I'm not sure it's probably come drop asleep. Or we're getting something. Oh, we'll find such up now.
How much is it? 1091.
I get some next snacks and then we go back. So at the gas station again.
So,
Oh, you never go already? Come on, let's go get.
Alright, go on, let's go.
Alright. That is some come on. Can you manage it? You good? Sure? Then we can drop in now. We'll go back to the car. Guys, I think we're in at a North Carolina or in Virginia still. Because we drop asleep and Charlie saying they get tired. So I have to get at least 5 minute push nap so I can start drive, you know? When I hear him say I'm tired, because normally I want to drive the whole way. We have like 12 more hours of driving remaining. So, should be going soon. Hold on, come on, let's start registering. Go, run.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me.
Hey guys, it is almost 12 o'clock in the night and we're still on our way to Florida. We're actually at the border of Georgia to go over into Florida, over into Jacksonville. So we're almost here. We stop, rest stop again, getting some gas. It's like our 5th gas stop. So we should be there in the next 4 hours. So, tired, still not sleeping. Sure, I insist on driving by himself. Then if you not trust me driving skills, no. But kids them inside, we're about to go use the restroom. Take a 5 minutes and then off again. So I'll check in with you guys again.
Somebody who could save him instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few.
Hey guys, so we are in Florida. Finally reached. We've been traveling. Oh my god, it's less than the eye. We've been traveling for the last, I want to say, 15 hours with the kids in the back. But we made it, and we have 4 more hours to go to actually reach our final destination. So continue following us.
People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't want the next day.
Hey guys, so we are here in Florida. Unfortunately, I was not able to close out the vlog last night, but we're here. We came here this morning, actually around 6:30. Could not close the vlog, tired. I get a couple more hours sleep since I've been here. But yeah, we're on the road today, so you'll see that video. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until later, bye.
Subscribe to
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.